Angelica. How are you?
I'm good.
Are you a little bit less nervous than last time or more nervous? Because now we're like only one step away from the live shows.
A little more nervous, actually, but so excited.
What are you singing for us today?
I'm going to be singing Girl on Fire by Alicia Keys.
Oh.
Our crowd favorite.
Well, Angelica, I wish you good luck today.
Thank you.
How funny too.
She's just a girl and she's on fire. Hotter than a fantasy, lonely like a highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire. Filled with catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. Whoa, she got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. She got her head in the clouds, but she's not backing down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. Everybody says that she goes by, 'cause they can see the flame that's in her eyes. Watch her as she's lighting up the night. Nobody knows that she's a lonely girl, and it's a lonely world. But she gon' let it burn, baby, burn, baby. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. Thank you.
Chris, what did you think?
I mean, I'm so blown away because you walk out and there's this like, you know, you've got these like sneakers on and you look like this adorable little child, and then you open your mouth and it's like, how do those pipes fit in that tiny body? You are unbelievable.
Thank you.
I just feel like Angelica, you are the chosen one. Holy moly.
Oh, she's crying now, amore.
You're amazing. You're so good.
Here she is. Celine.
Celine.
Yes. And I remember your name is Celine and your sister's name is Dion, right?
Yeah.
Because you guys are all a little bit obsessed with Celine Dion.
Just a bit.
So which Celine Dion song are you singing for us today?
Well, today I'm not singing a Celine Dion song. I'm singing How Am I Supposed to Live Without You?
Oh.
Wow.
I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you. I could hardly believe it when I heard the news today. I had to come and get it straight from you. And I don't wanna know the price I'm gonna pay for dreaming.
she can sing.
Oh, yeah. How am I supposed to live without you? How am I supposed to carry on when all that I've been living for is
Oh my God.
Celine, the crowd is going crazy for you.
Thank you.
First, I would like to hear from our very special guest judge, Laverne. What did you think?
I just want to eat you up and like take you home. You were so adorable and so cute, and your voice is amazing.
Thank you.
You are
You're
so
beautiful,
talented.
too.
Thank you so much. I am really blown away. You are so talented. Unbelievable. So adorable. I might just have to.